Hello guys and welcome to another video. This time on the bench we have a nice accessory for our home, and it's very useful if you don't want to use keys anymore to lock or unlock your front door. So this is the smart lock fingerprint door lock cylinder from the company called Welock. Thank you for sponsoring this video. So basically it's a door cylinder that has the 51 measurement. If you know the exact size of your door knob, you can use this smart lock for your home. If you have a different size, you should check it out on the site, but before you order it you should send a picture with the doorknob, so they will know for sure which model should send. If you will order this device, in the box you will get the fingerprint lock itself and a small box of accessories. In the box you'll get 3 RFID cards, a small screw and some other tiny accessories needed in order to install the smart lock on your door. Besides that, if you wish to control your door from the distance, there is the Wi-Fi box 3. This Wi-Fi box makes you a special gateway that will keep your fingerprint lock always connected to the internet, and you will be able to control it in your app. The app also uses the Bluetooth connection, so if you are in the house you can control your lock using that Bluetooth connection, but if you are away you need to have the Wi-Fi box 3 in order to get notifications if someone is unlocking the door and if you want to control the locking and unlocking from the distance. The Wi-Fi box comes with an Ethernet cable with a USB Type-C cable for charging, and you will need a power brick in order to use it. That being said, let's go on and start the installation process. First thing you'll have to do is remove the metal part of the area with the fingerprint scanner. This way you can install the batteries. You will need 3 AAA batteries, and those batteries will last you around 1 year. Keep in mind that if you run out of power, there is the option of powering the fingerprint lock with a power bank until you remove the batteries and replace them. So using the Allen key in the box, you have to unscrew this side screw, and this way you will be able to open up the batteries compartment. After inserting the batteries, you get one screw from the plastic box and screw the batteries cover, and if there is no need to adjust the distance between the fingerprint scanner and the locking knob, you can put back the metal case for the fingerprint scanner side. Next thing you have to do is remove the rear part, which is also adjustable, and if your door is thicker, you have an extension kit included in the package. This way you will be able to install this product on doors up to 100 millimeters of thickness. Without the extension kit, you will be able to use it on doors between 30 and 70 millimeters. I set up the admin fingerprints. You have 3 admin fingerprints, then you can set up the user fingerprints. Of course, this process can be easily made after you install the smart lock on your door, but I choose to do it before the installation. Now the installation is very simple. All you have to do is remove the locking screw on the side of the door, and if the locking knob has the same size, you just simply insert the locking knob from the front to the rear and screw back the rear part according to the thickness of the door. That's it with the installation. Everything is very simple. The next step is to add RFID cards, the fingerprints of the members of the family or the members of the house, and everything will work very nice. Another important step is to download the app. After you downloaded the app, you have to connect to the smart lock. After you connect it to the smart lock via Bluetooth, you will have all the records stored there. Every moment, every locking and unlocking of the door, the time of unlocking, and of course the ability to unlock the door from the distance if the connection is stable. Furthermore, if you order the Welock Wi-Fi Box 3 for home remote unlocking and connection with Alexa gateway, you will be able to control your door from the distance, no matter where you are, as long as the internet connection in your home is on. The Wi-Fi Box 3 is the link between your home Wi-Fi and your Welock smart locks. This way you can control your devices from anywhere in the world, and you can monitor your door 24/7 and manage your settings remotely. It's able to connect with Alexa, and you can control up to 8 Welock smart locks. Overall, this device is very useful and very nice. You get rid of the keys, your fingerprint is your key from now on, and everything works fine. For other questions and informations, feel free to ask me in the comment section, and if you want to buy this product, use the link in the video. Please use the link in the video description. Thank you for watching, thank you for supporting me, and until next time, be safe. Bye bye.